AUTOSAR. AUTOSAR. Virtual Functional Bus. Components. Class diagram.
Now we want to take a look at the reduced class diagram of AUTOSAR software components. We start with the abstract class software component type, which is the base class of all software components, in particular of atomic software component type and composition software component type. A composition can have several components. This is shown by the composite relationship between composition software component type and software component prototype. A composition can be empty, which means it doesn't own any components. Therefore a composition could for example be delivered empty to a supplier to fill the internal structure. But a composition could also own an infinite number of components. A prototype can only exist as part of a composition. The class software component prototype is the instantiation of the class type. Every prototype has an attribute type, which defines which type of software component it instantiates. Now we know three important facts about software components. First, there are different types of software components. Two of them are atomic components and compositions. Secondly, compositions are used as a structuring element to create hierarchies of software components. And thirdly, every software component type can be instantiated as a software component prototype. On the next slides we will learn more about these three aspects. This software design pattern is called composite.
If you want to learn more about AUTOSAR and other interesting topics, go to embeddedacademy.com.